Hi everyone, this is Ashok, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. It is a continuation video of Unit 1 and Part 3 of Marketing. In this video, I am going to explain about classification of marketing. Before going into that, what is market? Market is a place where seller and buyer come together to enter into buying and selling transaction. In this classification of marketing, how products are being distributed to the end consumer, how they are distributing their service. Here I have mentioned 6 classification of marketing. First one is market is being classified on the basis of area. The second one is market is being classified on the basis of timing. Then the third one is market is being classified on the basis of competition. Then the fourth one is function based marketing. And the fifth one is commodity based marketing. Then the sixth one is market is being classified on the basis of legality. In the next slide, let us see the subdivision of classification of marketing. Market is classified on the basis of area or region. It is subdivided into four market. First one is local market, second one is regional market, third one is national market, then the fourth one is international market. Let us see what is local market. Local markets is limited to a small region which mostly deal in perishable and semi-perishable products such as grains, fruits and vegetables, meat, milk and another type of consumer goods are being served in local markets. So these markets are limited in particular area. Regional market. It is a market, it is much more wider than local market. It is consist of a district, state or a group of state. This includes consumer durables and non-durable goods and agricultural and industrial products are being sold to the consumer. Next one is national market. National markets can cover an entire country involving consumer durables and non-durable goods, metals, agriculture products, forest products, industrial goods and a wide range of natural and man-made products and services are being delivered to the consumer. Then international market involves the movement of goods and service across international borders and the entire world is treated as single marketplace. With the advance of communication, transportation, storage and packing technologies, a wide array of goods and service can be sent across from one country to another country. So these are the way market is being classified into local, regional, the national and international market. So these are the helps to consumer to consume a product at any level. On the basis of time element, market is classified into 4 categories. First one is very short period marketing, second one is short period marketing, fourth one is long period marketing, fourth one is very long period marketing. So these are the second classification of marketing. Time is most important one because number of days, weeks, months and year a consumer can hold the product is most important one. Based on that only market is being classified. First let us see the what is short period marketing. In the short period, very short period marketing, a consumer can hold the product only 3 to 4 days. Example, milk, egg, vegetables. So based on that only it is classified into very short period marketing. Here the consumer can use the product is a very short period. The second one is short period marketing. As compared to very short period marketing, Here the consumer can use the product for more than 1 weeks or more than 1 month based on the totally, but less than 1 month based on the totally, it is being classified into short period marketing. In that period we can expect number of demand as compared to previous one. Here we can expect normal demand from the market. Third one is long period marketing. So in that long period marketing, we can expect supply and demand will be equal, and supply plays an important role in the price dealer. Also called here, we can expect normal price for the product. In that period, the consumer can use the product more than 6 months or more than 1 year. So for that purpose only, it is being called as long period marketing. So long period marketing example is TV, refrigerator or the example of long period marketing. So fourth one is very long period marketing. In the time period, we can expect demand and supply can be changed. Demand increase with the increase in taste, habit, fashion, etc. And the supply increase with the increase in the other factors like customers, how they are, we are satisfying our customer, so that only the customers are ready to buy our product for the very long period of timing. So time is most important factor for the classification of market. Market based on competition is a third classification of marketing. It is subdivided into two. One is perfect marketing, another one is imperfect marketing. Let us see what is perfect marketing. Here, a large number of buyers and sellers are involved in the market and they are producing homogeneous product. What is homogeneous product? The products are related to each other. Who are the sellers? They are producing similar product to the consumer, and the product price is always very low, and the consumer and the seller having a knowledge about the market. So how to enter into the market, then how to exit from the market. So there is, as compared to perfect marketing, there is no restriction. So whoever may come and exit from the market. Imperfect market. So in this market, the producer or seller selling product which is not yet identical product, and the product price is being differ from one another. This market is having a barriers on movement of goods and service, and the buyers and sellers have a lack of perfect knowledge about the market. So because they don't have how to sell the product and how to fix the price for the product, then this product on the part of buyer and sellers is not involving fully concentration. On the basis of function oriented, market is being classified. It is subdivided into general market, second one is specialized marketing, third one is marketing by sample, then the fourth one is marketing by grade. What is general market? General market is, in that market the consumer can buy any kind of product in a single place. The best example, Big Bazaar showroom. In the Big Bazaar showroom, the consumer can buy grocery items, like electronic items, vegetable, chocolate, all other items are being purchased in a single place. That is called as a general market. Specialized market. In the specialized market, the particular product is being available from the particular area. So that is called specialized market. Example, agriculture products are available in Tanjore district. Mobile related service are available in Rich Street in Chennai. So these are the specialization. The particular area is specialized for particular goods or service. Based on the function only, it is being categorized into specialized marketing. Then marketing by sample. When goods are bought and sold on the basis of sample. So example, oil, seeds and raw cottons are the example of sample product. The next one is marketing by grades. When the goods are graded, then different buyers and sellers deal in such a goods on the basis of their grades. Each and every product have some grade. Based on the grade function only, the particular consumers are ready to buy the particular product. So grade is also important for the marketing. Market is classified on the basis of nature of commodity. It is subdivided into product marketing, second one is stock marketing, third one is Boolean marketing. Based on the product consuming area, place, it is being classified into product market. Example, agriculture products sold in agriculture market, cotton products are sold in cotton market, then cloth products are sold in cloth markets. Like that only, the particular, it is given importance to the particular product. The second one is stock market. So stock related service are being delivered in the stock market. Example, if I want to buy a stock, shares or bond, security, debenture or anything, I have to buy in the stock market. So stock market is an important one. If I want to purchase shares from any company, I have to go to the stock market. So stock market is placing a important classification of marketing. The next one is Boolean marketing. If I want to buy a gold, silver, platinum or any kind, I have to go to the Boolean market. Then only I can purchase the that product from the particular product. Market based on legality. So it is a sixth classification of marketing, and it is classified into two. One is legal market, another one is illegal market. Let us see what is illegal market. Legal market, it is a where legal transaction of goods and service are being taken place, and it is recognized by the government, and it is also called we can expect fair price from the this market, and it is encouraged and approved market by the government of particular state or India. Then what is illegal market? Illegal market, it is not approved by the government, it is illegally transacted by some person, and as compared to legal market, the particular products are being available at high